This is Melissa at Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is Christmas Decorate With Me 2022. Our host is Mrs. Armici and Clean with Isca. Their links will be in my description box, and same way with the playlist. Please check out the playlist for all kinds of decorating inspiration for this year. Also, like, share, and subscribe, and watch our video to the end to help us grow our channel. I just wrapped this garland around it and added our tree topper. And it's in, of course, one of the boxes. There's our base of our tree. And I have these change colors. And they can do light shows, which is kind of fun for your tree. They're called dazzlers. And it makes instant lights and does all kinds of color changing things if you want it to do. I like just the white ones for this tree. Okay, now I added 3 poinsettias, and I did it in a zigzag pattern across the tree. Okay, now I added 5 poinsettias. I started up here, added them down here. Then I found this big sign, put that in, added one here, added one here and one there. So I kind of zigzagged them across the tree. And that's what we got so far. Okay, now I added another big element, which is our 2 moose. And the sign, of course, it says home for the holidays, and it's a camper. Next, I'm going to add camper ornaments. Okay, here is our campers. I just dotted them, zigzag through the tree. Different types of campers. Next, I will add, of course, woodland creatures. What else is out in the woods when you go camping? So next, I'm going to add woodland creatures. Okay, here's our tree with our woodland creatures. And I did find a lantern that I added too. We got a squirrel. We got a red fox. Just a lot of little woodland creatures so far. And now we're going to add some things from some of the states we went to.